Have you ever noticed how stepping into an indoor pool can sometimes feel off? Your eyes sting, breathing feels heavy, and there is an unpleasant odor lingering in the air. The root cause of these issues is poor, non-engineered ventilation in the pool area. Indoor pools are incredibly humid environments, not just from the pool water itself, but also from the presence of swimmers and even the incoming air, all of which add to the moisture load. When this humidity isn't properly managed, the result is excessive vapor, respiratory discomfort, and even structural damage like corrosion or ceiling rot. That's where the R&D team at KGY steps in with cutting-edge professional solutions. By designing and strategically placing advanced ventilation systems with air inlets and exhaust fans, we ensure the air in your pool remains fresh, healthy, and comfortable. So stick with us until the end of this video to learn how it's done. The role of air inlets in pool ventilation system. The air in an indoor pool contains harmful gases like trichloramine and trihalomethanes, which form when chlorine reacts with organic matter. These gases are the culprits behind eye irritation and breathing problems. One of the most effective ways to optimize pool ventilation and eliminate these harmful pollutants is by combining exhaust fans with air inlets. In this setup, fresh air enters through inlets installed at a higher elevation in the pool area. Exhaust fans then create airflow along the length of the pool, efficiently expelling stale, humid air. Air inlets are critical to pool's ventilation system. Their job is to direct fresh airflow toward the ceiling and distribute it evenly throughout the space. These inlets can be manually adjusted or automated to respond to factors like humidity, temperature, and indoor air pressure, ensuring optimal performance tailored to your pool's environment. How to install pool ventilation system with air inlets. Ventilating indoor pools is no small feat. Their large size, expansive surface area, and high ceilings present unique challenges. Every pool requires a customized design based on factors like its dimensions, water temperature, the number of swimmers, and their activity levels. First method of pool ventilation with air inlets and exhaust fans. In this approach, air inlets are installed on both side walls of the pool area, just below the ceiling. Exhaust fans are mounted centrally on the ceiling. Fresh air enters through the inlets and is directed upward, creating a gentle vortex-like airflow that displaces stale, humid air without causing noticeable drafts for swimmers. This system quickly removes the warm, moist air that tends to collect near the ceiling. It's especially effective for pool areas wider than 50 meters. In colder months, this setup shines even more. The high-speed cold airflow is directed toward the ceiling, where it mixes with the warm air and increases in temperature before reaching the area where swimmers are present. Second method of pool ventilation with air inlets and exhaust fans. This method uses an unidirectional airflow design along the length of the pool area. Air inlets are installed high on the wall at one end of the hall, while exhaust fans are positioned at the opposite end, also at a higher elevation. Fresh air enters through the inlets, is directed toward the ceiling, and flows along the length of the pool, driven by the exhaust fans. This setup efficiently removes excess humidity and heat. Depending on the size of the pool area and its ventilation needs, you can use one or multiple exhaust fans to ensure consistent airflow throughout the space. This system is ideal for pool halls up to 60 meters long, delivering uniform ventilation with minimal effort. Third method of pool ventilation with air inlets and exhaust fans. Another effective approach is cross ventilation designed for airflow across the width of the pool. In this setup, air inlets on one side of the hall direct fresh air toward the ceiling at high velocity. Exhaust fans installed on the opposite wall pull the air across the pool, effectively removing moisture and heavy gases like trichloramine. This method works best for square pool halls up to 35 by 35 meters or rectangular pools with a width of 30 meters and length of 100 meters or more. It's a versatile solution for maintaining air quality in various pool configurations. Fourth method of pool ventilation with air inlets and exhaust fans. For large or multi-purpose pool facilities, this advanced method combines air inlets and exhaust fans for maximum efficiency. Air inlets are installed on both sides of the hall just below the ceiling, while industrial exhaust fans are placed on the walls at both ends of the pool area. This modern ventilation system excels at managing humidity and is highly effective for expansive pools exceeding 100 meters in length. Installing a ventilation system is only half the battle. Using high-quality modern air inlets and exhaust fan is just as critical. For best results, choose fans with a static pressure rating of at least 150 pascals. KGY exhaust fans with an impressive 180 pascal static pressure create uniform airflow with no dead zones, ensuring every corner of your pool hall is properly ventilated. These fans are built to last, with bodies made from thick galvanized steel for exceptional durability in high humidity environments. Another standout feature is their ease of maintenance. Equipped with a hinge cover secured by a single screw, these fans make routine tasks like lubrication or belt replacement a breeze for technicians. If you're looking to create a healthier, more comfortable pool environment while extending the lifespan of your equipment, incorporating air inlets into your ventilation system is a must. For more information or to explore the best ventilation setup for your pool, reach out to our sales experts. We've got you covered.